Good morning. It's me. Remember me? Ooh, I am getting ready for a very busy day. Well, busy first half of the day. I have to do a podcast interview in my closet. So step one, I'm doing this so that I can like walk through in my own brain. Step one, I gotta go feed the dog and walk the dog. Then I gotta feed myself and give myself coffee. And then I have to set up my ring light and microphone, which I've never used before, so that I can do this TV appearance later. They're gonna call in and do like a sound test or whatever. So I have to do that. Then I have to finish doing my homework for this podcast interview I'm doing in my closet. That sounds like something I would have done as a kid, or what Ezzy would do. Like, oh, what do you have to do at work today, Julia? Oh, I'm doing a podcast in my closet. Okay, sure you are. That's fun. That sounds like a fun game. Oh, except this is real life and I'm doing a podcast in my closet. So I gotta move my shoes around because, you know, it's a closet. And in Queens, we don't just have like extra closets for podcasts. And then I have to do another TV appearance later. So, and then I will go pick up Ezzy. But as I think I've said before, it also dawned on me that I'm going to be trying to record this podcast and I have a dog who likes to bark at everything. So that's going to be stressful because I'm going to worry about the dog. So thank you for this therapy session. I owe you all money for listening to my woes. All I will say is that if I had Ezzy here right now, there would be no way I could do any of this. I mean, I guess I could. I just sort of like incorporate it into the podcast. But, man, oh man, it's just hard. So anyway, I'm gonna go do my busy day, check in with you guys along the way. Wish me luck setting up my own technology. Happy Friday. Hello. Friday. Good morning. Oh, I already said good morning. Anyway, hello again. It's a windy, sunny day in Sunnyside. So yeah, with my little pup Fergs. Hey Fergs. Ooh, sniff and pee. Pretty quiet. Running, but I thought it was so lonely. Anyway, okay. Just thought I'd show you the outdoors. I was going to involve you in my getting ready for a TV appearance, but because I can kind of control my recording of the TV appearance myself, I've been putting it off because we've been launching this giant new editorial program. Everything's happening today. We've got American Birth Story is our editorial program that we just launched on parents.com, and it's worth everybody taking a look at it. It's especially going to be relevant tomorrow for International Day for Maternal Health and Rights, which is tomorrow. But American Birth Story is all about how we can make birth better for people who are giving birth in America right now, including in this pandemic. So if you go to parents.com/American Birth Story, check it out. Very proud of that. But I'm gonna sign off for the day and call it the weekend. Well, it's almost there. We're almost there. And see you all on Monday. And I hope your weekends all go really well. And I wanna hear from you and what you're up to, and enjoy being camp counselors and cruise directors, as my mom friends called them, over the weekend, because that's all that we have to be these days, cruise directors who aren't allowed off the ship, but have to come up with fun activities to do on the ship. So good luck with that. Tell me about it. Let's talk on Monday. See ya. Have a good weekend.